Hi folks, welcome to another edition of Tech Life Pro. I am Moses and I have for you today an unboxing and quick sound test of the UE Boom by Ultimate Ears. I have here the box, a cylindrical shape with a picture of the UE Boom on the front, and these speakers essentially work with any wireless device you have. I'll just go straight into opening the box. Pull out the cylinder on the inside, and if we just flip it open, there we are. Ultimate Ears UE Boom. It is one of my favorite speakers in its class, in the portable wireless speaker class. As you can see, very nice rubbery material here, and over here there's the plasma coating, which makes these speakers actually water resistant and stain resistant, which means that you can pour juice or water around over it and it'll be fine, so long as you do not submerge it into water, for example like into a swimming pool. Now let's look at what else is in the box. Over here in bright yellow are the charging apparatus, the power adapter, the different plugs, all in bright yellow. Very nice. Now the UE Boom speakers come in various colors: red, blue, black, white, and some limited special edition colors as well. Now what else up here? You have the charging cable. As you can see, USB for charging your speakers, and over here is a ring actually, which protects the ports on your speakers from and prevents water and dust particles from entering these two ports here, the wired connection port and the micro USB port. And let me show you how it works. Pull up this D-ring here. D-ring is for you to hang your speakers on any gadget, like your bicycle or your bag or anything like that. Anyway, as you can see, there are two pieces for slotting into the sorry, it's the other way around. Let's do it this way. Put it in here, and there you go, protected from water. And this is the button to switch it on. You can hear a sound. That means it would be connected with my iPhone. Now before we go on to the sound test, let me show you something cool. If you want to know how much battery life is left, you press the button, the plus and the minus button together.
40% charge.
And a beautiful lady's voice tells you. So there we go. Let us go straight into the sound test. And we try this.
You're on the telephone, telling me that she's gone. Now we've been down this road a million times before. 'Cause it's a sweet sensation thinking of all that.
As you can hear, this UE Boom speakers produces 360 degree sound because of the internal speakers which face away from each other, unlike most other portable speakers where the sound direction is just coming from one direction essentially. And you can control the volume from here, plus, minus. You can see minus reduces the volume and plus brings it back up. And well, I mean, I really like these speakers, best in class if you ask me. Very balanced mids, brilliant highs, and amazing lows for the size of this little gadget here. Well, this is once again the UE Boom, brought to you by Tech Life Pro. If you like our videos, please remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.